everybody. So right now I'm going to do a video of my 7 brushes and my 10 eyeshadows. So I'm going to go ahead and get started for you. My first one is my Essence large powder brush. It's very soft and fluffy. I paint the tips of them too. The second one is my fan brush. I haven't figured out what to use this for yet. Third one is a blush brush. Fourth one is a large rouge. Say hi. Hi. It's my little brother. This one is an applicator. I've never used the applicator before. And then this one is just a 249 brush and an eye makeup brush. Now I'm going to do my 10 eyeshadows. My first one is the blue, the Essence blue. I have 5 Essence ones. This one's called Freestyle. This eyeshadow is called Disco Diva. This one is Love Talk. This one is a Rimmel London with 3 color bases. This one is a CoverGirl. Another Rimmel London. An Essence Happy Hour. And Happy Hour looks just, if I can get it open, like that. This one's Essence Happy Hour. 2 more left. Go Glam. It's a new one. I use this color a lot. And my last one is Marble in New York. So those were my 10 eyeshadows and my 7 brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you soon. Bye.